Hey everyone, and welcome back to IELTS Spark, your go-to channel for real IELTS speaking practice with expert feedback. Today we're tackling a common Part 2 question. Describe a crowded place you visited. Let's listen to a candidate's answer first, then we'll break it down and show you how to boost your score.
Describe a crowded place you went to. You should say where it was, when you went there, why you went there, and explain how you felt about being there.
I went to a shopping mall last month. It was very crowded because there was a big sale. I went with my cousin. We bought clothes. There were many people and it was very noisy. I didn't like it much because it was tiring and hard to walk.
All right, let's break this down. Joseph answered all parts of the cue card. Nice, that's good. But here's where he could improve. Too basic and repetitive. Phrases like very crowded, many people, noisy, bought clothes are overused and too simple. Instead, try more descriptive language. For example, absolutely packed with people. Instead of all very crowded, buzzing with noise and activity. Instead of noisy, also the answer is flat. It lacks us feelings and I personal reactions. That's key in speaking Part 2. Add reflection like, although I'm not a fan of crowds, the excitement made it memorable. Now let's hear a Band 8 version.
One crowded place I remember visiting was a huge shopping mall in my city called City Center. I went there last month during a weekend sale, and the place was absolutely packed with people. There were long lines at every store, loud announcements, and music playing non-stop. I went with my cousin to buy winter clothes, but honestly, it was tough to even walk around. At first, I felt overwhelmed by the noise and crowd, but over time, I got used to the chaos. We found some great deals, enjoyed some food, and had a few laughs while navigating the crowd. Overall, even though it was exhausting, it turned out to be a fun and unforgettable day.
See the difference? More vivid vocabulary, personal feelings, natural storytelling. That's how you move from Band 6 to Band 8. Want more realistic practice and expert feedback? Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and level up your IELTS with IELTS Spark. See you in the next one.